You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome! If you're thinking about moving abroad, you've probably already started looking at beautiful homes, dreaming about your new lifestyle, and maybe even imagining yourself sipping coffee at a European cafe or relaxing on a beach in Southeast Asia. But before you pack your bags, there's one major thing you need to get in order: your visa. Getting the right visa isn't just a formality. It's the key to making your international move a reality. And trust me, the process can be complicated if you're not prepared. So today we're breaking down everything you need to know to secure the right visa for your big move. Let's get started. Before applying for a visa, it's important to understand the different types available and which fits your situation. Here are some of the most common visa expats apply for. Work visas. These are for individuals who have secured a job offer in a foreign country. Some countries require the employer to sponsor your visa, while others allow you to apply independently. Student visa. If you plan to study abroad, you'll need a student visa. These often come with specific restrictions like limited work hours. Retirement visas. Many countries offer retirement visas to those with a steady pension or sufficient savings. Countries like Spain, Portugal, and Thailand are popular for retirees. Digital nomad visas. A newer option for remote workers. Digital nomad visas allow you to live in a country while working for a company outside of that country. Popular choices include Portugal, Costa Rica, and Estonia. Family and spousal visas. If you're moving abroad because your spouse or family member is a citizen or resident, you may qualify for a family reunification visa. Investor visa. Some countries offer residency or even citizenship to individuals who invest a certain amount in their economy. This is common in Portugal with the Golden Visa. This program allows investors to gain residency through property purchase or business investments. Now, once you've secured your visa, the next big question is, how do you stay in your new country long term? Many visas have expiration dates, and if you plan to make your move permanent, you'll need to look into residency or citizenship options. Here are some things to consider. Temporary versus permanent residency. Some countries require you to live there on a temporary visa for a certain number of years before you can apply for permanent residency. Naturalization process. If you plan to become a citizen of your new country, research their naturalization process. Many countries require a language test, proof of cultural integration, or a certain number of years as a resident. Dual citizenship. Not all countries allow dual citizenship, so check whether you'd need to give up your current nationality if you decide to become a citizen of your new home country. Tax implications. Some countries require permanent residents to pay taxes on global income, so make sure you understand the financial implications before committing to long-term residency. Applying for a visa can be stressful, and unfortunately, even a small mistake can delay your approval, or worse, get your application denied. Here are some of the common visa mistakes and how to avoid them. Not checking country-specific requirements. Every country has different rules for visa applications. Make sure you read all the details before submitting your paperwork. Missing deadlines. Some visas have long processing times, so apply well in advance. If you wait too long, you might have to delay your move. Providing incomplete or incorrect documents. Even a tiny mistake can result in rejection. Double check all documents before submission. Not hiring a professional when necessary. Immigration lawyers and relocation consultants can help you navigate tricky visa requirements. Getting professional advice is worth the investment if you're unsure about any part of the process. At SDC International Shipping, we understand moving overseas involves more than just transporting your belongings. Our team of international moving experts will guide you through custom regulations and help ensure all your documents are in order. Whether you need assistance shipping your household goods, understanding international moving insurance, or coordinating logistics between multiple countries, SDC is here to make your move as stress-free as possible. Visit our website for a free moving quote and start planning your international relocation today. All right, before we wrap up, here are some final tips for securing your visa and making your international move a reality. Start researching visa options at least 6 to 12 months before you move. Make a checklist of required documents and double check everything before submitting. Consider getting professional advice, especially when dealing with complicated residency or work permits, and be patient. Visa approvals can take time, so plan accordingly. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe and share it with anybody who's considering an international move. In our next episode, we're going to talk about one of the biggest challenges for families, moving overseas with children. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.